Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make an album cover design in Photoshop. Create a new canvas, then add background gradient matching strong tone. Place artist's photo in the center. Now apply color lookup and select soft contrast. Add large bold songs, title text, insert small parental advisory logo below. Add subtle textures overlay for retro touch. Use light flares for mood lighting. Then adjust font spacing for symmetry and apply vignette to pull focus. Use curves for contrast boost. Save both RGB and CMYK versions. Your album cover is ready to drop on Shopify. Thanks.